Yes, welcome back. So to solve this log, first of all, we must put this in the index notation. I told us that this is the logarithm notation. This is the what? This is the index notation. So looking at this, to put this in index notation, first of all, we'll write the base. The base is what? The base is what? 5. This is similar to saying base 5 to power what? X is equal to what? 25. Is it not? Now, solving this now, we can write that 5 to power x is equal to what? 5 to power what will give you 25? 2. So we can simply say that x is equal to what? 2. So writing this in log notation will be log 5 25 equal to what? 2. Is that? That's how you found 2, is it not? So this one again, let's repeat it now so that I will believe that everybody now understands it. If we have log 16 to base what? Base what did we have it? Is it 2?
Yes.
So how do you solve this? Example 1, we are solving it again. So we simply write this in what? Index notation. So writing it in index notation, we write the base first, is it not? To power x is equal to the what? The number, is it not? Now we now have what? 2 to power x is equal to 2 to power what will give us 16? 4, is it not? So that we have x to be equal to what? 4. Is that clear? So that's how you solve it. That is how you do what? That is how you do what? This is example 1 and this is example 2. So let's do another example 3. Let's do example what? And that is what? Log to base 2 4 sub 2. Log to base 2 log to base 2 4 sub 2. 4 sub 2. So how do we do this one? First of all, we have to write the what? What do we write what? The base. What is the base? 2 to power what? X equal to what? 4 sub 2. That's the first thing we write. Is that not true? Now we also say that 2 to power x is the same thing as 4 sub 2 is the same thing as saying you can say that 4 is the same thing as saying root 16. You know that root 16 gives you 4, abi? So times root 2, because root 16 is the same thing as 4. We want to put all of them in short form. So you can now have that 2 to power x is equal to, this is the same thing as saying sod 16 times 2. Is it? Which is the same thing as saying sod what? 32. Is that? So we can now say that 2x is equal to, this is the same thing as saying 32 to power 1 over 2. Is that? So 32 is the same thing as saying 32 to 1 over 2. So we can now say that 2 to power x is equal to, 32 is the same thing as saying 2 to power what? 2 to power what? 5. Is it 5?
Yes.
5. Because what? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it equal to 32? Yes. Because 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 2, 32. So this is this times 1 over what? 2. This 1 over 2 is this 1 over 2. 32 is something as 2 to power 5. Now you can now say that x is equal to what? 5 times 1 over 2, which is the same thing as what? 5 over what? 2. So that is the value of your s. So write it down. Please, if you like this video, click on the subscribe button. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section. Thank you. That's all.